Typical influencer.
Right?
Vlog him instead of helping. I'm not doing anything else.
I got it.
Vlog him instead
Don't
of
worry
helping.
about it.
What if he just broke his hand? And you sat there and filmed it.
If he breaks his hand unloading it and not doing all this crazy stuff.
Yeah, so all those drop-offs and stuff, not really my jam.
You've never ridden a bike before.
Yeah, okay, so I have a Coleman mini bike and I kept wrecking it and it's like hilarious, right? 'Cause it's on the vlog. Then I realized I never learned how to ride a bicycle. After I tried doing BMX jump.
Excuse me, you've never learned to ride a bike?
No, so the extent of that is my dad put me on one and shoved me down a hill and then I was like terrified.
I don't know what to say. That's like horrible.
So I don't think that'd be a good idea.
I think it's a great idea. What better time to learn than now?
Okay.
Like, if you can ride a pit bike, you ride.
I can't though, that's the thing.
Oh, okay. Well,
She's ridden it once and that was into cream corn.
Oh yeah, that was that was the biggest adrenaline rush I've ever had in my life.
the good news is there's not many like rocks or bushes that you could hit right here, so.
There's
I think you should do it.
Okay, sure, I guess.
Peer
Well, if
pressure.
you don't want to, you don't have to.
I'll do it, why not? Okay.
Okay, she's gonna
This
give
is
it a
like
go.
kind of high up though. You
Well,
like sit that high up?
I mean, not really. Sit on it. See if it's
My
too high.
natural reaction is just to like dive off.
See, that's perfect.
Okay, hold the brakes. Hold the brakes. Hold the brakes.
Where are the brakes?
Oh my.
These? This? See, I need at least 3 wheels.
Did you?
No, I don't think I can.
Did you ask where the
I'm
brakes are?
Literally terrified.
I'm terrified for you. Maybe we'll try again.
I'm such a
We'll try again later.
How embarrassing. It's a layer of me. So I literally love the sound of coming. Zzz. But it's just not the Ford interior, but it is nice. But for what this truck was designed for, it's perfect.
It's been overlanding very well.
Overlanding. Is that a Utah term?
No, it's like when you go, it's not rock crawling or off-roading.
You could have rolled the window down.
Oh,
So
yeah.
just go down to the road and then turn left on the paved road, and then you'll just see us on the left side of the road, like a half mile up. Okay. See ya. Bye.
Well, Matt, you're forgetting Matt.
Is he coming?
Matt!
They're gonna leave us.
Matt!
Matt!
I hope he knows that you're driving.
What?
Just,
Of course I'm driving.
I'm just, maybe we might.
The trusted one.
Ouch! See?
We're overlanding.
Just run Cole over, why don't you?
Gracefulness.
How do you get a double guard already?
I need to get a sidecar for my Harley so you can film out of it.
I think it would be cool when we're going through that like dead stuff. I love how Matt's telling me to back up and Alex like, come on, B.
Is there any zoom on this thing?
There is. They look kind of squad cool up there. Not gonna lie. So we're at this cute little, what is that, Sunset Canyon Ranch? You know that means there's some good sunsets here.
At least.
Look at this beautifulness. Like, I would die for this. Look at those cute little horsies down there. just living their best lives. This lighting is kind of wild, but okay. Lots of sun, Honduras. So, we are headed out today to do the official jump ad, and the Daves are coming in the helicopter, so that's gonna be cool. I'm sounding like a robot right now, but I'm actually really excited. I got a, hold up, wait a minute. Heard you guys like bad girls. Well, I got a parking violation from the HOA. So yeah, I'm like, oh great, I got a parking ticket. Is Diesel Power Gear paying for these, or like what's going on? Because I parked on the street, and that's the only place to park with a gooseneck trailer. So I didn't have a choice. But so I wonder, now I'm realizing my windows aren't tinted, and there's probably the Karen that wrote this ticket sitting in her house, staring at me, watching me make fun of this. But anyways, Karen, thank you for the ticket. Really made my morning. But anyways, so it is Monday now. So yeah, we are out of the shop today. The rest of the shop guys are there clearly, but so we're gonna try to wrap up by like 12, which probably means by like 2, and then we're gonna head home. So we'll be there tonight, back home, and then back in the shop tomorrow morning. But you guys are gonna see some sick stuff on the vlog today, right, Rudis? Hey. Yeah, he's just as excited, I promise. This is a freaking golf course, guys. So you said on the other side of this mountain, it's crazy?
On the other side of this cliff, not cliff. On the other side of this big rock, there's a cliff, and there's a putting green on the cliff.
Okay.
Look this way. I'm pretty sure it's like right here on this cliff.
That's crazy.
Like, I don't even play golf, but call me Tiger Woods if I live down here.
That is wild. So we're with Matt Herrera, right? That's how you pronounce your last name?
Yeah, it is.
The mastermind behind all of the Diesel Power Gear ad productions.
I see.
Yes, and we are in his brand new F-150 V8. And yeah, it smells good. And we're just out here cruising. Oh, there's a cow. A loose cow.
Whoa, what are we doing, Lacey? What's happening?
Oh, we're just out here wheeling in the mall crawler.
Oh, snap. What? It says Ford. This isn't
Everyone
Nomad.
says, why do you lift those trucks? They're so useless. Really? Is it useless?
Because we're in Zion National Park,
Yeah.
crawling it up.
Just crawling it up.
What do you think, Cole?
Trivia question: is it pronounced Zion or Zion?
Let's keep the truck down here though, because Ellie's not in the shot.
Okay.
So we'll walk over there.
Sweet.
You're so dark.
Thank you.
Not.
Okay.
What's going on, Alec?
We're in the bunker.
In the
We're gonna
bunker.
get the shot of him flipping over us. It's gonna be
Sweet.
cool.
That's so cool. The Daves are here.
Why'd you say that? I'm gonna come this way, okay?
Get cum. You're sick.
Fully for real.
Ready? 3, 2.
We present to you Nomad.
DieselPowerGear.com, because honestly, you're gonna want this truck and this bike and a year's supply of Monster all in the bed as you're cruising home. Grab you everything. Not home.
Straight to Adventure Town.
Maybe they live in this. What if that's their home? Then you want to come home to your house. Then you probably wouldn't have. Probably. done unless you can come back to me, because otherwise you'll have to hit the bike and the monster too, because I want to go for it. Sure. I can't, it's kind of weird that she's actually using an actual camera.
Is it weird?
Battery doing okay?
I just replaced it. So that was totally Sir's smorgasbord that was on the... What'd you do?
Push the button that takes pictures.
Oh, really? That takes pictures?
Have you not taken any pictures yet?
You can take pictures while you're recording?
Oh, I didn't know you were recording.
Oh, I am recording.
Did it?
Anyways, the ghost on the island killed my battery.
You better check, because if you push that button when it's recording, it probably shut it off.
Still
it now?
Still recording.
Okay.
We're good.
Okay, the ghost on the island.
I'll probably
Killed your
end up
battery.
at the same distance as I was at this bush,
Squish.
and then I'll work my way.
And then it got back, it came back on once we were in the helicopter.
Hole right there. That's weird.
He was telling the story of the guy. It was wild.
Which guy?
Dr. Schmorgage.
Talk about flyby, am I right?
Wow. I'm gonna go sit in the truck so I'm out of match shot. We got a helicopter getting ready to come over there. Ethan gonna jump. Diesel Dave in the back. Heck yeah.
Sasquatch in the back of this truck.
You're gonna high five him? Heck yeah. Oh, hi, sorry. Here, say hi to the vlog. This is Tanner, everybody.
Hi vlog.
Hi.
Bye vlog.
Dropping right now. Oh, jeez.
Holy cow.
Oh, too deep.
Oh, is he?
He's down.
Is he? Oh my God, is he okay?
Yeah, he's good.
Oh, okay, he says he's good.
Oh my gosh, dude. He gives me a heart attack, dude.
Waiting on Matt. We're good as far as the film crews go. We're good. So wait for Diesel to give you the thumbs up for when, and then you guys can go.
Just a little bit of dust. That was freaking crazy.
Okay. He's gonna come line.
This kid's an animal, okay? He doesn't even, he's crashed a couple times, just jumped right up, not a scratch on him. Clearly not lacy skills on a bike, but it's pretty good. Hi! Hi! Smile!
About to get dusty. Uh-oh.
We are? Catch you.
Hey, catch me outside. How about that?
You gonna fight? Oh,
That's be a good part of the vlog.
great. This is the best
You know
part of
what'd
the
be
vlog.
better
If I clean the twins.
There you go. Now you can see.
That was honestly the best shuttling service I've ever had in my life.
Right? How was the jump?
It was amazing. It's
Heck
so
yeah.
scary coming into this massive wall of a jump
Yeah.
and then having a big truck right in your way with a big hairy guy with a beard.
Yeah. And then a helicopter over you.
And then the helicopter, but
I'd be terrified. Yeehaw! Got the shot, Matt. Deserve a celebration. We're out. Of course I just parked in the bushes. See you later. Just a casual Monday. What do you think, Alec? Ugh. You guys want some baked cookie dough bites now? That is disgusting. right, truck is loaded up, but now, so yesterday, Matt locked my keys in my truck and I had to pay a towing company to come. Well, today I left my keys in his truck and they were already on the way home, so they're coming back. So we're just waiting on him and then we can finally go home. Pretty sure Aaron hates me because he's been stranded all day bored. But you chilled with some biatches.
No,
right?
no, I don't do that.
Right.
Do that.
So he had a good little weekend, let's just say.
No.
Yeah. No. No, I didn't say they're not nice ladies. Found him, guys.
Poor guy.
Hims is just chilling in the shade. He's like, Mom, it's been a long day. And it's freaking hot out here. Say, we're not in Salt Lake anymore. I think this is someone's front yard though, buddy. Oh, him a seepy boy. Him's a seepy, slobbery boy. Oh God, he's so cute. I guess the tinfoil and there's a machine making screaming bird noises real quietly. Guess that's supposed to keep raccoons away? I don't really know. It doesn't faze him. Oh, this truck looks good loaded. We had half a notion to haul my truck with this one now and just put the dogs in my truck on the trailer with the truck running. Just to prove to people, because people in the comments will be like, why'd you make that truck so freaking useless? Well, I'm just pointing. I feel like Dirty Max Jack right now, pointing at everything. Anyways, yeah, people will be like, why did you ruin it? It's lifted, it won't tow anything now. But we were gonna show them what's up. But now we just won't because it's too much work. This does have a gooseneck attachment in the back of it though. And check out those sweet diff covers that I powder coated. Nope. Alright guys, so it's a long ride home, right? So Aaron's a little bored and so we were talking about how there's some mean comments on my Juice Power Gear ads.
Yeah.
So
You chewing gum. You look like a slob.
I do look like a slob, but so Aaron's fixing.
I can say that.
You can say that.
I say that.
So Aaron's fixing to go in on some people right now. So we're at just this little truck stop right now, and I'm geeking out about how freaking beautiful it is out here. It's kind of a different kind of beautiful than the terrain that we were just in with all of the, you know, the Arizona red rock looking things. Very, very Arizona-y, St. George's. Truck's looking good, but I don't really think the video's even, dude, look at that flag. I don't think the video's even doing it very much justice, but I would have loved to have the ranch I've been talking about somewhere out here. Freaking gorgeous.